Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of the same old eggplant dishes? Well, I'm sharing my secret recipe for stuffed eggplant curry. It's a spicy, savory and absolutely delicious. So let's see how to make this. First we need 500 gram of eggplant. Let's prepare the flavorful stuffing using these spices. Take a grinder jar, add 4 green chilies, 6 cloves of garlic and a small pieces of ginger. Grind this into a smooth paste. Now transfer this paste into a bowl. Next add half a cup of blended roasted peanuts. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix everything well. Let's set that aside and prepare the eggplants. Cut them into like this. But keep the stem attached. Soak them in salt water for a bit. Then drain the water. Now stuff the prepared paste generously inside each eggplant and press firmly. Keep about 1 tablespoon of the leftover paste aside because we will mix it with half a cup of coconut milk to make a gravy later. Now add half a cup of coconut milk. Then mix it well and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Place the stuffed eggplant in and fry them for about 10 minutes until they are slightly softened. Once done, remove them from the pan. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of green chili, half a cup of onion and half a cup of tomatoes. Mix it well. Now add half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Add the coconut milk mixture we made earlier and 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice. Now mix it all together. Gently press the fried eggplant back into the pan. Add some fresh curry leaves and pinch of salt if needed. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Our delicious stuffed eggplant curry is now ready. The smell is so good. You must try this at home. Thank you so much for watching my video today. See you next time. Bye.